Welcome to our instructional video on how to apply DEFY Extreme Wood Stain, the ultimate solution for protecting and beautifying your exterior wood surfaces. DEFY Extreme is available in 6 beautiful semi-transparent colors. The colors are cedar tone, light walnut, natural pine, butternut, driftwood gray, and redwood. DEFY Extreme is also available in a crystal clear option. The crystal clear option enhances the natural beauty of the wood by providing a clear, non-yellowing finish. It allows the wood's grain and texture to shine through while protecting it from the elements. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process, ensuring a professional and long-lasting finish. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. You will need a paintbrush, the DEFY push brush, or a similar car wash type brush, an extension pole, a pump-up garden sprayer, an empty 5-gallon bucket, an empty trim bucket, clean rags or towels, painter's tape, a drop cloth or plastic sheeting to protect surrounding areas, and, of course, DEFY Extreme Wood Stain. The first step is to thoroughly clean the wood surface you plan to stain. Remove any dirt, grime, or stains caused by mold or mildew using the DEFY Prep products. Watch the DEFY Wood Cleaner, Wood Brightener, and Stain Stripper videos on how to properly clean your wood. Allow the wood to become visibly dry before moving on to the next step. DEFY Extreme can be applied the same day as cleaning and can be applied to wood that is slightly damp. Next, protect any adjacent areas you don't want to stain, such as windows, metal hardware, or concrete surfaces, using painter's tape. Lay down a drop cloth or plastic sheeting to catch any drips or spills. This will ensure a neat and hassle-free application. The surface and air temperatures should be between 45 degrees and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, avoid application in direct sunlight. If possible, try staining on an overcast day, or at a time of day when the wood surface is in the shade. For smooth cedar or dense hardwoods like mahogany or Brazilian hardwoods, we recommend applying only one coat of stain. Allow new wood to weather for at least 3 to 6 months before applying any stain. The best way to determine whether the wood is ready for staining is to do a water test. Sprinkle a few droplets of water on the surface of the wood. If it soaks in quickly, it's ready to stain. If it remains on the surface for more than a few seconds, the wood is not porous enough to accept the stain and will need to weather for a while longer. DEFY Extreme will cover approximately 200 to 300 square feet for each coat of stain. 2 coats are recommended for most wood types other than smooth cedar or hardwoods. So, if you plan on applying 2 coats, you should figure between 100 to 150 square feet of coverage per gallon. DEFY Extreme is available in both 1-gallon and 5-gallon containers. If you have a 1-gallon container, shake it thoroughly. After emptying the gallon of stain, you may want to double-check the bottom of the container. If not shaken well enough, there could be tint lying on the bottom of the container. If this is the case, pour some of the stain back into the container and shake again. This will ensure color uniformity for your project. For 5-gallon containers, open the lid and stir it with a stir stick. It's important to mix the stain thoroughly to ensure consistent color and coverage. Before applying the stain to the entire surface, it's recommended to do a small test application on a hidden area or a scrap piece of wood to ensure you achieve the desired color. Now let's move on to the application process. Start by staining the railings and vertical posts first. Place drop cloths or cardboard under the railings to prevent drips on the horizontal boards. Dip your paintbrush into the stain and start applying it in smooth, even strokes, following the direction of the wood grain. Work in small sections, covering the entire surface evenly. If you prefer, you can also use an airless sprayer for a faster application. Just be sure to protect against overspray. Ensure that the stain penetrates the wood for maximum protection. Once the railings and posts are complete, it's time for the horizontal deck boards. Start by trimming out the edge boards next to the house. Then, using either a pump-up sprayer or the DEFY push brush, apply the stain evenly to the rest of the boards. Start on one end of the deck, staining no more than 2 to 3 boards at a time, and work your way to the end of the boards. Always work in the direction of the grain to avoid streaks. If using a pump sprayer, be sure to back brush using the DEFY push brush. This breaks the surface tension of the wood, allowing for better absorption and a more even appearance. Thoroughly coat the ends of the boards to prevent water penetration. If you're going to apply 2 coats, go back over those same 2 to 3 boards while they're still wet, or within a few minutes of applying the first coat. Otherwise, move on to the next set of boards. Continue in this manner until all the deck boards are stained. After you have finished applying the stain, it's time to clean up. Wash your brushes and equipment with soap and water, as DEFY Extreme Wood Stain is water-based and easy to clean. The recommended time for drying is 2 to 6 hours depending on temperature and humidity. Allow 24 hours for the stain to set up completely before placing patio furniture. DEFY Extreme is easy to maintain. When it comes time to do a maintenance coat, there's no need to strip and start over. As the finish begins to dull or fade, simply clean the surface with an application of wood brightener and apply a maintenance coat of DEFY Stain, and you're done. This will keep your wood in top condition for many years to come. Congratulations on your choice to use DEFY Extreme Semi-Transparent Wood Stain. Your exterior wood surface is now protected and enhanced with a premium quality stain. Its exceptional UV resistance, moisture protection, and beautiful finish will keep your wood looking great. Thank you for watching our instructional video on how to apply DEFY Extreme Wood Stain. We hope you found this guide helpful in achieving a professional and long-lasting finish. For more information and to explore other DEFY products, visit our website at defywoodstain.com.